Hey guys, it's Allison. So today I'm going to do a productive day in my life. It's Saturday, February 9th, and right now I'm about to go to the gym with my sister. It's like around 10 o'clock. We kind of had to go a little bit earlier, but you know, it's the weekend, so we kind of like didn't really wake up early this time because usually on the weekdays we wake up like at 6 something to go to the gym at 7. So yeah, that's what's happening right now. And then we're gonna probably go get acai bowls, come back. We're probably gonna do laundry, homework, all that stuff, and just get our lives together basically. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below any videos you want me to do next. Subscribe down below if you're new to my channel, and turn on post notifications to get an update every time I post a new video. And yeah, let's get on with the day. So just before I leave, I'm just gonna eat this bar, and it's the Nature Valley sweet and salty granola bar, and it's just a peanut flavor. Kind of stole this from my sister, but the whole box up there, so real good. I'm gonna bring to the gym my jump rope, cause last time I wanted to use a jump rope like last semester, and I asked for a jump rope, and then they said that it was just for the athletes, so I had to buy myself an own jump rope. But this was like $2, and it's like weighted and everything, so that's good. I'm gonna bring my water, which I might bring a whole full bottle to go. So I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. I have this pink sweater, which is like really comfy. I have H&M leggings and then Reebok sneakers.
Oh, you meant the world to me. Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna give.
Okay, so I just came back from the gym. It's been like an hour and 30 minutes I was there. So now I'm about to take a shower, change out of these sweaty clothes, and we're gonna go get acai bowls. I'm gonna moisturize my face. Put some perfume. I put my hair actually in like the scrunchie because the other one wasn't really working. I have this comfy fuzzy sweater. I just have jeans on and my boots.
Hey guys, I changed my mind. No acai bowl anymore. We're gonna
It's like bread. Garlic bread.
Should we get garlic nuts?
We could.
We're gonna go to a pizzeria that is good in this town.
Percent off. Today's Sunday. Oh, today's Sunday. So tomorrow.
Back in our home. Home away from home. This human of clothes is behind me. Really, Kathy?
I met you in California. You told me you loved him in Georgia. Jump too hard, don't stack too close. You gon' fuck around and drown off this way.
Finish my laundry, guys. Time to eat dinner. I said time to eat dinner. I don't know what was wrong with me. I was in the lounge and I was like very distracted for some reason. I don't know why. But I'm in my room right now and I'm about to take a shower and wash my hair. And then afterwards, I'm probably going to eat something because I'm getting hungry again for some reason. And then I'm going to do some homework. And if I don't do homework, I'm probably going to watch some TV or YouTube or something. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below any videos you want me to do next. Subscribe down below if you're new to my channel, and turn on post notifications to get an update every time I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.